All right, man. For those that are learning how to do calisthenics, I'm gonna teach you the number one exercise in calisthenics is the pull-up. The pull-up, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Many people are gonna tell you do it a bunch of different ways. I'm gonna show you the way that I do it, that I get the results. I do them prison style. I just go chin to the bar. And I go 65, 75% range of motion, and I get reps. Let's go. See what I'm saying? Those are gonna get your lats. And if you can't do one pull-up, that's okay. You gotta start from somewhere. When I first started doing pull-ups, I was able to bench press 335 pounds max. I only could do 6 pull-ups. Pull-ups, you pulling up your entire body weight. It's very, very difficult. If you can't do it right off the rip, don't get discouraged, just keep doing them. I do calisthenics every day. I'm 55 years old, and this is what I do. I don't lift no more weights. I'm a straight calisthenics dude. Follow me on my YouTube channel, The Podcast with Soul. Link is in the bio. And welcome to the world of calisthenics. Sean G. Peace.